In this video, I will show you how to use the chart of account section. There are two main parts. The first part is creating a new account, and the second part is editing an existing account. For part 1, we will create a new account. First, on the home page, go to Setup and select Control Table. After that, choose Chart of Accounts. Then, click Add New Account and fill in all the required information. Once everything is completed, click Save Account to save the new account. Now we move to part 2, which is editing an existing account. To edit an account, enter the account name or account code in the search box. Then, click the 3 dots on the right side and select Edit Account. After that, update the information that needs to be changed. Finally, click Save Account to save the new information.